Hi dear customers, I'm Freya. Today let me make a comparison of warm reducers between EED brand and other brands. Well, we'll take size RV90 1890B5 as an example. Warm gear reducer is one of the main series of EED products. Today we'll make a full inspection of its main components, which are house, warm gear, warm shaft, input flange, and cover. Part 1. Checking the color fastness on the body. Now let's test EED house. Then comes to the other house. We can see that EED's color fastness is better. Part 2. Checking the weight of the house. Let's weigh the house of EED. The weight is 3.14 kg. Then we'll weigh the other brand. The weight is 2.98 kg. The house of EED RV90 is 0.13 kg, heavier than the other brands, which is only 95% weight of EED. So EED house is much more stronger.
Here is the 3D report, showing the verticality between the holes from the warm wheel and the warm shaft. EED is 0.00081. The other brand is 0.00146. So we can see EED machining is more precise.
Part 3. Checking the warm wheel. This part includes the bronze casting process, bronze thickness, and the machining precision. First, let's have a look at the outside of the warm gear. EED uses the copper clad process to strengthen the bite force between the bronze and the wheel cord, in order to have a stronger load torque and decrease the risk of the teeth broken. Second, let's check the teeth thickness of the bronze of RV9080. The outside diameter of EED wheel is 154.9 mm. The diameter of each side is 130.23 mm. So the bronze thickness for teeth is 12.335 mm. The outside diameter of the other brand wheel is 154.85 mm. The diameter of each side is 137.21 mm. So the bronze thickness for teeth is 8.82 mm, which is 3.5 mm less than EED. This difference will affect the teeth lifetime under this module. Third, let's check the teeth precision. This is the teeth file. From this file, we can see the quality grade of EED is 6, while the other brand is 7. Lower grade means less noise, less abrasive wear, and longer lifetime. Last, let's test the roughness of the hull. Via roughness test block, we get the roughness data of EED is RA 1.6 for the inner hull and RA 3.2 for the inner face. However, the other brand roughness is RA 3.2 for the inner hull and RA 6.3 for the end face. The EED is much more smooth in the hull and at the end face. Part 4. Checking the warm, include the machining precision and the width of the teeth. First, let's check the warm precision. This is the warm teeth file. From this file, we can see the quality grade of EED is 8, while the other brand is also 8. High grade means less noise, less abrasive wear, and longer lifetime. Then let's compare the teeth width of the warm. EED is 55.51 mm, while the other brand is about 52.08 mm, which is 3.43 less. EED with longer width of the teeth can enhance the match point and improve the performance and service life of reducers. Part 5. Checking the input flange and cover with glue or not. Glue can fix the invisible small holes of the casting and reduce the possibility of the oil leakage, even with bad casting quality. However, with glue, the surface of the two machines cannot be matched fully, which will affect the verticality of the input flange and the warm hole. Also, when the customer wants to change the flange, it is hard to remove the glue completely from the house and the flange, affecting the new flange assembly. In EED design, the glue is forbidden. We see EED has neither glue on the input flange nor on the cover. However, the other brand has the glue. Part 6. Checking the whole gearbox performance, including temperature, noise, efficiency. From the data, we can see EED temperature is 49.7 degrees, noise is about 65 dB, efficiency is 70%. EED is much better than the other brand. From the previous tests, we can see that EED warm gearbox components are superior in designing, processing, manufacturing, and material, providing better products. EED, Efficient Economic Drive. Enjoy each drive.